What's up, guys? Today I got this box. Pretty assumptive that it is a drone because I ordered one. We'll be unboxing it anyways. DJI Tello quadcopter drone. It's pretty affordable. I'm a beginner. I've never used a drone before, so I'm gonna be testing this one out before I upgrade to something that's a little bit more expensive. See if I can get the flying down. Go ahead and dive right in and unbox this thing. Alright. First thing you should know about this is when I picked up the box outside, when it was outside my door, when I picked it up, it was extremely light. Like, I mean extremely light. So, it's kind of weird. It's off-putting. Alright. It's got Intel inside. The DJI Tello Drone. So, we got here a little bit of information about it. It's got a 13-minute max flight time, 720p HD transmission, multiple flight modes, easy operation, electronic image stabilization, 5 megabyte photo, precise hovering. Packaging is nice. Feels quality. Alright, there's that. And there it is. Very light, very small, as you can see, compared to my hands. Blade guards, the blades, everything's already set up. So it looks like the battery goes in here. And it charges on the side here with, you can see it, a micro USB cord, which is supplied here. Micro USB cord. And it's not too long, about a foot long, which is cool. It didn't come with a charging box, cube, or square, whatever you call it. It just came with the cable, which is very short. And it came with the battery here. Just slides in here. There's connectors at the end. A little hard to see because my lighting is over there, but there's connectors inside and just match this up with the connectors right here. Slide it in there and boom. And to charge it, it's the micro USB cord. Plug that into a power box that you have. Let's see what it says. We got this here. So here's the battery. The battery is 5 volt, 3 amp. Is the charging cube capacity that you need for this particular drone. This is it. You got some sensors here on the bottom. Senses the altitude. And then you have the camera is right here. Very light, very compact. Alright, so we're gonna charge this bad boy up. Like I said, it takes about 90 minutes before you can put her in the sky. So 90 minutes. And it lights up there and it flashes blue. Once it's a solid blue color, then it's fully charged. Came with an extra set of propellers just in case I decide to crash into a tree or crash into a building, crash into a bush, crash into myself, crash into anything. If you crash and you break propellers, there's extra ones. There are 4 extra ones in here. Now with the charger, again with that cable, 5 volt, 3 amp, it is short and it does take, from what I read on the internet, takes approximately 90 minutes to get a full charge on the drone before you can fly it. And that full charge of 90 minutes gives you 13 minutes of max flight time. Not connected, go back into the app. So if you want to take off from your hand, you put it on the flight mode from toss from hand, and you just have to do this. So it's kind of a little bit of a pain because you have to swipe it with one hand. So you tap this guy, and you're up and out. Oh. Look at this thing. The only thing that happened is the battery got dislodged. Where is it? What happened is the battery got dislodged. This thing's pretty durable. The only thing that happened, this thing, the battery popped out when it hit the tree. This fell down. None of the guards or propellers broke. Nothing happened. Everything's intact. So come to find out, we're using a gimbal, Apple Watches, and this is what it is too, that there is Bluetooth interference quite a bit. So that kind of sucks. I know there's a hack for lengthening the range, so I'm probably going to do another video on that as soon as I learn that little hack. Let's keep flying. Signal strong again. So to turn this thing on, first pull out your phone, get the app going. Tello. Turn it on. It'll turn green, flash red. And then it'll change colors each time to show you if you turn it on. Connecting. Connect your Wi-Fi to the Tello Wi-Fi. There we go. Give it a second to connect. Alright, so there we go. You can see that it's working. The camera's working. Everything's on. So to set your flight plan, go here. I'm gonna do throw and go because that sounds awesome. And it gives you some instructions there. Go back, and then you hit this button right here with the arrow coming up out of a circle for liftoff from your hand. And then you'll have to swipe right here for liftoff. And there it goes. Record some video here. Let me put it in fast mode. There we go. That's about the distance, the range of the Wi-Fi. The yellow mark. It like pops up yellow or red on here. Let you know how far away you are. I also have only limited time on battery. It's only 13 minutes, so it lets you know on this indicator here. Hard to see in the sunlight, I know, but there's an indicator, a battery indicator here, and the Wi-Fi indicator for the drone as well. Shoes walking by or something.